if you're a spokesperson, you have to be clearly understood. Hindi ka pwede alamano, ganyan. Hindi pwede yun. Kailangan klaro. Yun ang advice ko sa mga gustong mag-spokesperson. You have to communicate your message clearly, and you can only speak for your principal because you're an agent. Kasi Atty. Amante, hindi ko nga alam kung sino principal niya. Hindi ko alam kung high school principal, college principal. Kasi may secretary general, may deputy speaker, sila nga speak po. Lahat gusto mapasikat ba? Awa ako dyan sa spokesperson nila. Si ano na lang yung spokesperson mo tungkol sa building ng house. Gusto lahat ng congressman na ilaha magpasikat man. So, sinaboy mo papel-papel na. Kung saan may trabaho ng House of Reps spokeswoman, sweldo lang na, pero medyo kayo substantive ba? So, dapat klaro yung role. Kung may spokesperson na, di na kaya sulti ang Secretary General, internal na lang siya. I don't know, I'm not there to tell them what their role should be, pero sayang naman yung talent niya. Sasalita siya ng ganito, doon, nagpipress con din yung isang congressman. Kung ako ang spokeswoman, sasabihin ko talaga, sabaan ni mo doon ay. Ako na ba yung spokeswoman karon? You know how it is ba? The politicians, they always want the credit. Ngayon ng iba dyan. Sila daw ang nagbigay ng free college tuition.
Sila nag-implement.
Hindi na fake news na yan eh. Hindi na maganda yan. Yung mga
Credit grabbing.
lahat credit grabbing. Let's have a government and our leaders should be responsible, accountable, and live simple lives. Ay makita mo ni karon sila ang mga bag, kung relo, milyon-milyon. If you're a spokesperson, you have to be clearly understood. Hindi ka pwede